In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Norton pop-ups in 2025. If you've ever found yourself distracted or interrupted by frequent Norton notifications, you're not alone. These pop-ups, while intended to keep you informed, can sometimes become overwhelming. Fortunately, there's a straightforward way to manage these notifications effectively. Let's get started. First, let's begin by opening the Norton app on your device. You can usually find it by searching for Norton in your application menu or directly on your desktop, depending on your computer's setup. Once the app is open, you'll see a dashboard with various options and features that Norton offers to keep your system secure. Now, what you're going to want to do is direct your attention to the Settings option within the Norton app. This is where you can customize and tailor many of Norton's functionalities to better suit your preferences. Click on Settings, and a new window will open up with multiple tabs and options. Next, the crucial step here is to find and select the Notifications tab. Notifications are an essential part of how Norton communicates with you regarding security updates, scans, and other vital alerts. However, adjusting these to your liking is entirely possible and is the key to reducing unnecessary pop-ups. Once inside the Notifications section, you'll see an option labeled Notifications Settings. Click on this to dig deeper into the controls you can adjust. Here, you have the flexibility to choose which notifications you want to receive and which ones you'd prefer to turn off. This setting allows you to strike a balance between being informed about essential security updates without being inundated by less critical alerts. While adjusting these settings, it's worth taking your time to carefully decide which notifications are necessary. For instance, you might want to keep notifications on for successful database updates or alerts about potential threats, which are crucial for maintaining your device's security. Conversely, you can opt out of receiving notifications that you find repetitive or unnecessary. Remember, you can return to this setting at any time should you wish to make further adjustments. Managing notifications correctly will help you avoid those intrusive pop-ups while still keeping your system secure. By following these simple steps, you're well on your way to creating a quieter, less disruptive experience while using Norton services. There you have it, a quick and simple guide to stop those pesky Norton pop-ups once and for all. Adjusting your notifications ensures that you only receive information that truly matters to you, enhancing your overall user experience. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and solutions.